What's up my dudes, it's me Srishti again. Welcome back to my channel, and I have been playing with this idea of cutting my own hair around my head for a really long time, and I have finally gotten the courage and I'm getting to do it. So what we are going to do is that I'm gonna tie this hairband over to a place where I want to take the length out, and then we'll cut the hair. So my sister and some other people have asked me that why do I do these things which are to be done at a salon at home. That's because I'm done with salons. I am done with their body shaming. I'm done with they doing their own thing and not really listening to what I want to do with myself and like having total disregard to what exactly I want to do and just doing what they want to do to my hair, and then literally body shaming me into using all of their services. So that is a really bad marketing tactic. You're literally losing clients because of that tactic, guys. It's not a good tactic. So if you think that I am sweaty, it's cause I am like testing out these new studio lights that I got, and they are really bright, but they also increase the temperature by like 1,000,000 times, and it's really hot in here and I can't even have the fan on because it messes up with the entire footage. So that is why I am so sweaty right now. Wait, this is all sorts of mess. So these two ponies have to be equal so that I don't mess up my own hair. So when you go to a stylist, you can at least blame it on a stylist that you messed my hair up, but over here there's nobody to blame. Okay, so I am right now seeing how much length should I take off, because my hair have gotten really damaged. As you can see, they actually are okay like on the roots, but on here they are all sorts of damaged. This is because I haven't really had a haircut since 2018. That's when I had my last haircut, and where I haven't had a haircut ever since. These are my grandpa's scissors. I stole them from his shaving kit. I hope he does not see this video because he loves those scissors. He takes care of them, so they are like the best scissors in the house. Everybody has an eye on them and he doesn't like it when other people use his scissors. My hair are sticking to my neck because of the sweat. That's how hot it is in here. I don't get it. How do people film YouTube videos with studio lights on? Okay, I'm gonna take a break here. Okay guys, so we are finally doing this. I am really scared, not gonna lie, but this length, it just really needs to be taken off. It is really damaged. So oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, there's no going back now. So my hair, they have gotten thin because of all the hair fall and because of dumb things like bleaching them and dyeing them 2 different colors, using streaks and punky hair color both at the same time. So these scissors are not working. I'm gonna go really quick and get another scissors. Okay, so guys, I'm back with another scissors because the scissors I had before weren't really working. These ones, they seem to be working now. Okay. Wow, okay, this is not going as well as I planned. So half of my hair are over here. Oh my god. Half of my hair, they are off, but other half, it's not working out. The scissors don't want to cut my hair. Conspiracy theory alert. These scissors really don't want my hair to be off. My god, I had so much hair before. Not gonna lie, I am really feeling bad for losing my green hair. I was really looking forward to having green hair, but they are so damaged at the ends, they just have to go. Oh my god, I haven't had short hair since a really long time now. This looks so bad. Okay, this looks really bad. How do I look? We are going to cut this one, and while cutting this one, I forgot that you have to actually cut it out like over the ponytail and not under it. So this time we are going to cut. Oh my god, this is turning out to be disastrous. Whoa. Okay. Does anybody wants this? Oh my god, they are so uneven. Okay, so these 2 ponytails, they at least have to be even. So I'm gonna have to take the length off from here. I am having a feeling that I'm gonna have to get to a hairdresser. कमी कापले पाहिजेत थोडे.
मी तू थांबायला पाहिजे होतं. तू काय केलं 6 मिनिटात? किती ऑइल पण कापलेत तू. कॅमेरा लिसन टू मी. प्लीज डोंट ट्राय दिस ॲट होम.
ते पण माझे एंड्स खूप आता हेल्दी वाटतात.
खूपच असणारच ना ते एंड नाहीच आहेत करण्याचा. पण तू ती रँट भारी केलीस हा सलॉन्स विषयीची.
सिस्टर टू द रेस्क्यू. ते तसे खालनं थोडेसे ग्रीन राहिले.
हो ऍक्च्युली ते तर काहीच्या काही भन्नाटच दिसतंय. एक तर तुझी फुलं ना छोटी आहे, खूप छोटी आहे. अगं, तुला कळतंय काय केलं?
मला कळतंय.
ही ह्याच्यापेक्षा छोटी आहे.
ताकी 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 रम्मा. You got that yummy, yummy, yummy. So this happened. I don't know what to do with it. But my hair feels so healthy right now. Like, you know, there are no, what can we say, split ends. So there's a silver lining. Like, I should be really freaking out right now. But the reason I'm not freaking out is because there's nothing to do. I can't really undo what I have done. And it's okay. It is life. Shit happens. That's okay. Didi, you have to say something to the camera. You want to?
I'm going to book an appointment with our salon and hopefully they accommodate after what she has done. I was always against it for the record and I thought that she is going to cut that ponytail from the
The ends.
from the end.
Mm-hmm.
She cut it from here like. I have no words.
How dumb is that?
I am freaked out because and then another issue we have is that her hairs are black from here and then they were blue. But now like I don't know what is happening here. And I don't know how to fix this shit. That's all I have to say. Please save me from this system.
So if you are freaking out because of me, don't. It's okay. They are here. They're gonna grow back. It's not like a very important organ without which you can't survive. So it's okay, I guess.
She's just saying that to herself so she doesn't freak out.
Yeah, that's true.